Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level for the headphones JBL Live Flex 3 with using your iOS device. Basically you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to use a widget. So just click on the empty space, then click plus or edit at the left top. After that scroll down and click on batteries. Now choose the best one widget for you. Let's say I prefer this one, then click add widget. And right here we can see a battery level of our headphones. But we have a second option, and the better options is to use an application. So just click on it, and right here we can see a charging a battery level of our left earbud, right earbud and charging case. So I prefer it more. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.